Immediately after the lockdown was announced, there were lots of media stories around how people are suffering, the daily wage earners, the migrants, they were not having enough food on their plate. We said, we have massive food production facilities which we can leverage to create what I call a sustainable meal for these needy people. And this is how it all started. A few restaurateurs came together. When we started, we realized that the scope is far more, the need is far more. Then the idea of crowdsourcing came in, and it just went on. And I think a small idea of a few restaurateurs immediately turned into a massive initiative by NRAI.
Our company is one of the members of the National Restaurant Association of India, which is the pan-India association that represents restaurants. Essentially, at our premises, which is Magazine Street Kitchen, we began cooking packed meals consisting of rice, dal, khichdi and a sabzi, a staple meal which would probably be enough for 1 or 2 people.
So every city has a head, and that head has three forces which are working with him. One is looking at demand, one is looking at supply, and third is looking at logistics. So what happens very typically is that the local leadership team deals with the local disaster management authorities, the municipal authorities, our police force, as well as NGOs to come up with the demand, where are these meals required and in what quantity. Then there is another team which coordinates with all the kitchens which are participating in that city and then allocates them areas and where to deliver, what to deliver, how to deliver, and so on and so forth. It may sound very simple, but it was very difficult when we started this initiative. But as we speak, it has become a very well-oiled and smooth running machinery.
We worked first with the local corporator in Cuff Parade, because there was a requirement there for the various slums. And then we also worked with the NGO Akanksha to distribute meals in other parts of the city.
So far, under the initiative of Feed the Needy, we have served a little under 7 million meals across 4 cities in India. That's Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Kolkata. We did a little bit in a couple of other cities like Chennai as well.
I feel very privileged to have been a part of this initiative, because any way we can help, we could have helped. It was just imperative to do so. And and I hope that this situation doesn't ever happen again.
When you look back and see the number of happy faces that you served, number of needy that you were able to cater to, it's a beautiful feeling. It's a feeling which is very hard to describe. That little thank you from someone, that little droplet of tears in the corner of their eyes when they got their meals is beautiful. What is even more gratifying is that we reached beyond the poor and migrants. We also served the doctors, paramedics and hospital staff. Everyone knows that we are, as restaurateurs, are facing almost an existential crisis right now. However, there comes, times in our lives when the wider concern for humankind takes precedence over your own personal concerns. And this is precisely the case in Feed the Needy. What has happened is we have spent close to 14 crores in serving these 7 million meals, and the donation received both in cash and kind is little under 2 crores, which essentially means the balance 12 crores has come from us restaurateurs, those 37 kitchens who not only opened their doors, they opened their hearts, their purse strings, and made sure that 7 million Indians got their meals. I'm very, very proud of my fraternity that despite all the hardships we are facing, we chose to wear our hats as Indian citizens while carrying out this initiative, keeping aside our worried hats as Indian entrepreneurs today.